Bluetooth connected but no sound. Windows picked the wrong output. Here's how to fix it. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar. Click Sound Settings. Under Output, you'll see a drop-down. Check what's selected. If it says your monitor, your laptop speakers, or anything other than your Bluetooth device, click that drop-down and switch it to your headphones or speaker. Play something. That's usually all it takes. Try it now. Drop a comment saying fixed if that sorted it. If not, keep watching. If it's still not working, right-click the speaker icon again. Open Volume Mixer. You'll see a list of every app that's making sound. Check two things. The app you're using isn't muted, and the output under it shows your Bluetooth device. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, find your device in the list. Click the three dots next to it and hit Disconnect. Wait 3 seconds, then click Connect. Windows renegotiates the audio channel when it reconnects. This clears most driver level glitches. If none of that worked, same place, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, click the three dots on your device, hit Remove Device, Confirm. Now put your device back into pairing mode. On most headphones, that's holding the power button until the light flashes. Back in Bluetooth settings, click Add Device, find it, pair it. This resets the connection from scratch. Bluetooth connected, but no sound should be fixed now. Drop a comment saying fixed, or tell me which fix worked. If it's still happening, tell me what you're seeing and I'll help.